Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Lucy, aka Lavished Low. Well, in this video I just want to show you how I created this beautiful bomb look, guys. Just look at that face, don't tell me it's not snatched. If you want to know how I got this look, grab yourself your brushes and your makeup and let's do some tutorials together. For my eyebrows, I used the e.l.f. brow gel in the shade dark brown, and I just drew me a perfect brow using the shape of my natural brows. And girls, you don't want to look like a toy, so I had to just go according to the shape of my brows, and I had to keep on blending and blending, and I just wanted to make sure that it was beautiful and natural as much as possible. I cleaned up the rough edges using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Guys, look, the brow is just about to be smashed. Look at that. Ooh, this is life. So I went ahead and blended out all the rough edges using the Real Techniques blending brush. So for my eyeshadow base, I used the P.Louise base in the shade Rumor number 4. And all I did was just distribute the product on my lid using the Real Technique blending brush. And I had to make sure that it was smooth as much as possible so my eyeshadows wouldn't be patchy. I used the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and the first shade I used was called Walzana. The second shade is called Kufuru, and I used the Kufuru shade to blend out the rough edges or any sharp edges. You know, you just want to make sure that these shadows are so blended very well and so flawless. Guys, let me tell you something, this shadow is bomb. If you don't have it in your collection, then you're missing. Look at the pigments, just look at that. So for my third shade, I went with the shade called Yodit, and I used that to also blend out my edges. At the same time, I used it to set up my upper lid so my eyeshadows will look so smooth and flawless. So as you can see, I'm just distributing the product. I'm just dragging it onto my whole lid area, and I'm gonna go back, use the shades that I started with to intensify the look. Guys, look at that, it's just so beautiful. So I cleaned off my crease by using the it was just any makeup cleaner, and I'm gonna cut my crease using the Rain by the Rain canvas. This is from P.Louise base. Guys, this is actually called Acid Rain, and it's in the shade Blanc canvas, and it's from P.Louise base. I'm sorry for any mistake. You know, not all the names are gonna get stuck in my head, but I'm gonna put everything I use in the description box, so feel free to check it out. And this this shade that I'm using, it dries off so quickly, so you want to make sure that you sew fast, and you know, you blending out any edges where you're gonna put eyeshadows. You want to make sure that it's smooth. I just went ahead and used the same shade I started with when I started my eyeshadows, just to fill up my cut crease. But when it got to the inner lid, I used the shade called Kana in Zaz. Apart from that, everything else is just the same. So that's Zaz and Kana right there. Guys, this liner is so bomb. I forgot the name. I'm gonna put the name in the description. But this liner, when you have it, you don't need to even reapply any eyeshadow, black shadow, to make it pop. Like, the eyeliner just does the magic. So I set up the liner using a clear lash glue, and then I filled it up with this glitter from Killer Queen's Cosmetic, and this glitter is just bomb. Like, it's beautiful. For my eyelashes, I used Falsies by Candy Love Nature Care, and I just went ahead to prime my face before I start putting on my makeup. I had already moisturized off camera, so you don't have to worry about that. And for my foundation, I used the Shade Stick in the shade Cameroon by Juvia's Place. And guys, I was so skeptical when I was buying this foundation online. I was like, God, is it gonna be my shade? I prayed, and God just answered my prayers. But this foundation is bomb. It's so full coverage. Like, it doesn't even crease my face. My face is so smooth. It's not shiny, it's not oily, and it's so affordable. And for my concealer, I use the I Am Magic concealer, also from Juvia's Place, in the shade 10. And that concealer is full coverage, but it's so light. It's like using the LA Girl Pro concealer. It's just it's so flawless. Like, it gives you that flawless look. It's so easy to blend, and it's so lightweight on your face. You know, it doesn't cake up your face. It's just perfect. I use the same foundation stick, but this shade is called Congo, and I used it just to contour my face, and I love it. I mostly use the Black Opal stick foundation, but this one too is bomb. Like, found me another favorite contour stick. I went ahead and used a Real Technique blending brush. Is it called blend? No, it's a setting brush. It's called Real Technique setting brush, and I used it to blend out the whole concealer. And I went ahead and used my foundation brush to blend out my contour. And you know, guys, look at that. See how my face is snatched. All the dimensions coming together. I went ahead and used a smaller brush from BS Small Brush. You can get this brush on Amazon. Guys, Amazon is your best friend. Amazon have good products. You need to take advantage of Amazon products. Look at how everything is just laying beautifully. I went ahead and set up my face, my concealer especially. I used the Sacha Buttercup. Guys, you all know about this setting powder, so come on, because it's just so bomb. Everybody loves it, I know. No flashback. So beautiful. I'm just living for this look. This tutorial is self-explanatory, so just go with the flow. So for my jaw area or my jawline, I went ahead and used the setting powder that is kind of close to my skin tone, and I used the Black Opal soft velvet finishing powder in the shade 400 medium. For my contour powder, I used the Loreal True Match Super-Blendable powder in the shade Espresso. It's also called C10. That is absolutely my favorite contour powder. It's a foundation, but I use it to contour. Look at how this face and this nose is matched. I set up the whole look with MAC Studio Fix in the shade NW55, and then I went ahead and used the Juvia's Place Saharan blush volume 1 the Saharan blush volume 1 to blush and highlight my face. And guys, just look, check it out. Ooh, I just love Juvia's Place. Like, I love their stuff. It's so affordable, they're so quality, and it's so, like, look at that highlighter. Ooh, blinding them haters. So beautiful. Guys, make sure you hit that like button right now. If you haven't hit it already, make sure you hit that like button. Like, hit that button right now, because this look is just bomb. Ooh. And make sure you subscribe if you're dying for this look. For my under eyes, I use the same colors that I used, and it's all basically from the same shadow. For my teardrop, I use the neon green from Killer Queens Cosmetics, and guys, see how it just changed the whole look. For my lips, I use the black Radiance Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream in the shade Hollywood Hot, and this is so beautiful. Like, most of the stuff that I used in this tutorial is like drugstore products. You can get them at Walmart, at beauty supply stores, online, anywhere. So easy to get. And I topped it up with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Cream Bubble. It's called Creme Brulee. Guys, if you don't have that, they are the best, like, butter glosses. Like, for my eyelashes, mascara, it's just a drugstore mascara. I think I got it at Walmart. Guys, look at this look. So that's it for today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button for this video. Follow me on all my social media, Lavished Lo, and that's it. See you in my next one. Make sure you click the notification bell so you get notified for my next videos. Love you all and stay blessed. Bye.